Hello, Professor. This is Group D demonstrating Lab 4, where we're doing a cascaded BCD counter, counting up and down, and starting from 0 when the switch is going to be high. So this is going to start counting up from 0 when this switch is going to be high, and then it's going to start counting down from all 9s all the way back to 0 when it's low or off. Okay, and we have two different resets. This is going to be the reset for the 7 segment. It's going to reset the display itself, but the counter will still going and counting. And this is going to be the counter reset where the values will be set to all 0s if counting up and all 9 if we're counting down. Now I'm going to show you everything I talked about right now. So we have those two resets, and this switch is what makes the whole circuit. And we also made another extra reset just to reset the whole circuit. So right now my switch is up and it's counting up. My switch is high. If I push this like whole system reset, it's gonna start from all 0s all the way counting up to all 99999. Okay, and now I can push on the counter reset, so it's gonna reset the whole thing to 0 again. So this is gonna set it to 0 again and start counting again all the way until all gets to all 9s on the display. Now if I'm gonna push the 7 segment reset, which is right here, so the counter was still going, but every time I push it, it's gonna show different value on the 7 segment because the counter is running. It's just that the display is being reset. Okay, and then let's change to counting down. So if I push the switch down, okay, it's gonna start counting down. If I push the counter, it's gonna give us all 9 going back all the way to 0. So this is here. It's going all the way back to 0. And then this is the 7 segment reset as well. So it's not gonna reset the value. The counter is still going, and this is just to show. And then again, this one will set it back to all 9s. So if I just switch this to count up, it's gonna go back and count up all the way until it turns all to 0 again. And here we go. And this is our demo for Lab 4. Thank you so much.